All right, number 4, we want to know which of these sets are equal. Equal meaning they have the same number of elements and the same exact elements. They don't have to be in the same order, but each set has the same elements and the same number of elements. So A has B, E, J, K, and B does not match. C, J, K, E, B, same elements in A, same number of elements. A and C would be equal. Okay, so that's one, and it says select all that apply. So there may be more than one. D has the set of all x values such that 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 6, x is a natural number. So the way you would list this set is the numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all of these numbers because equal to. So is there another set that has 3, 4, 5, and 6? It doesn't look so. If I'm looking at L and J, these are sets that are listed x equals 2n plus 3, where n is a whole number. So whole numbers would start at 0. So I'll kind of list some of these elements in the set. We'll be doing 2 times n plus 3. So if we plugged in a 0, we'd have 0 plus 3. So 3 will be in that set, and then we would do 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 would be 5. And then from there we would just have a pattern. We're kind of adding 2 every time. So then we would get 7, 9, and we would continue. So this would be that set. It would be infinite. It would keep going. Okay. Starting at 3 and continuing. If we listed the sets in L, it says 2n minus 3. And then it says n is a natural number. Natural numbers are counting numbers starting with the number 1. So it doesn't have a 0. And so if we plugged in 2 times 1, we would get 2 minus 3 would give us negative 1. Okay, so negative 1 would start the set. We would plug in 2, and then we would get 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. So we're still counting by 2s, but we just start at negative 1, and then we would get 3, 5, etc. Now, even though the back half starting with 3 is the same, these sets are not exactly the same because it has two elements that this one does not. Okay, so those don't match. Now, as we look at the ones in the middle, E is the empty set. Okay, F says the set consisting of the empty set. Okay, this notation is incorrect, as you will pick up in the text. You either want to write just brackets with nothing in it to denote empty set, or you want to write this 0 with a line through it to mean empty set. These two alone mean empty set. If you put it together, okay, this is saying the set has something in it. Okay, so this would not be correct. Furthermore, you cannot say, okay, 0, because 0 is also an element. So this set has the number 0 in it. So either this or this is empty set. And we do have two matching symbols, E, empty set, and H. So these two are equal, and it looks like nothing else will match up.